Hey everybody, Travis here, coming from my bungalow above the garage where Ashley and I are hanging out in quarantine. I just want to say thank you everybody who participated in our May 14th trading card auction. It was unbelievable. We had a ton of support and some great records were set and some collectors got some absolute gems. So I'm going to give you the rundown of some of the top 5 highlights. And I mean, I could give you a list of 20, but here are some of my top 5 favorites. So lot number 29. A Topps Chrome Series 1 factory sealed booster box. It hammered for $2,700 the day of the auction plus the buyer's premium. The buyer ended up paying $3,375. That is a record for that box. When you look at completed listings for that, that's the highest result known so far. Second on my list, lot number 31. A Shadowless Blastoise. Now everybody knows first edition Pokemon cards are going absolutely crazy in the market. So the Shadowless is the second best. It's that in-between period. Not a first edition, but not an unlimited print. Has the 99 double copyright date in the lower margin. They are very rare. This Blastoise was one of only 8 in BGS 9.5 condition with no 10s known in the population. So this is as good as it gets. One of only 8. Ended up hammering for $1,000 plus the buyer's premium. That collector took it home for $1,250. Number 3 on my list, lot 136. Boom. Team Rocket First Edition Dark Charizard. Now, Charizard is the king of the Pokemon world. He is the most popular character out there. Now, because the first edition Charizards have become so expensive, just anything Charizard is hot in the market right now. This card ended up hammering for $1,100 plus the buyer's premium, $1,375. Took it home to a cool collector. Lot 119. Now, it was tough picking what is my favorite of the auction. It was close call, but 119 coming in second. 2003 Aquapolis factory sealed booster box. I mean, this is as rare as it gets. Second to the last series of the original Pokemon cards published by Wizards of the Coast. I mean, to find a factory sealed box is insane. The right sealed pack in perfect condition could sell for $300 to $400. Here was a whole box of them. Total price in and all done at the end of the auction, $14,375. That was our top selling lot, but not my personal favorite. Coming in at number 1, lot 157, the Blaine's Charizard First Edition in a BGS 10. Now, Beckett 10 is like the pinnacle for card collecting because here's the breakdown for you. PSA doesn't do a 9, 9.5, and a 10. They go straight from a 9 to a 10. So a PSA 10 is considered a gem mint card. When you look at the Beckett grading system, a 9.5 is gem mint and a Beckett 10 is quote-unquote pristine. The Beckett 10, holy grail for trading card collectors. This was only one of 2 Blaine's Charizards known to exist in a BGS 10, and it was the first Beckett 10 to cross the market. It ended up hammering for $11,000 plus the buyer's premium, taking the card to $13,750. That is a new record for a Beckett or PSA 10 Blaine's Charizard. It was a great day for Pokemon, let me tell you, at Bruneau & Co. Records were unbelievable. We had over 5,000 registered bidders online. And all I could say is thank you to the TCG community. We can't wait to give you another auction. Stay tuned.
That's BRUNEAU.